Everyone always talks about preparing for retirement, but did you know you should prepare your home for retirement too? When deciding how much home you need, you have to remember that your home may look quite different in retirement than it does now. So going from a large family home to a nice, quiet, cozy home or condo might be just what you need to enjoy your well-deserved retirement. We sometimes forget about home maintenance like landscaping, so go ahead and consider some home maintenance improvements so you can sit back and enjoy your well-deserved retirement. Or maybe you could even consider low-maintenance condo or apartment living. Don't forget about location. Being close to friends and family can make retirement even better. Or would you prefer a quiet oasis or somewhere where you can explore new adventures? Whether you're looking to downsize or to just prepare your current home for retirement, we know there's no place like home. Visit us at tvacreditunion.com to learn how we can help you and your home prepare for retirement.